Hey guys, it's Daniel, and I'm back with another shoe unboxing video. And this one is another pretty cool one, so I'm excited to show you guys. It is the ACRONYM and Nike Presto collab. So first things first, this box is freaking massive. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is, I think, a lot longer than normal Nike boxes. And I'm guessing that's because, again, this one slides out and doesn't open up. I got this shoe in size 10. My true to size is size 10 for Nikes, so I just decided to go with that and see how it fits. So let's go ahead and open this box. Bam. So this thing came in 3 colorways. There was like a black one, a neon green one, and like a really colorful one. And I got the really colorful one. So it's got some pink, some blue, some neon green, some black, some white, basically like a little bit of everything. Yep, so here are the 2 shoes. So one thing I really like about this silhouette is that it's a mid shoe and it's got this cool zipper thing over here. And yeah, this silhouette was actually really cool. I remember seeing the original ACRONYM Nike Prestos and I thought those were super cool. So I decided to go for these, and I was lucky enough to get these on the sneakers app. The only thing I don't like too much about these shoes is it's a little too loud. Like, the colors are already super loud, and then you got this weird ass zebra print over here that just like takes it overdrive. Honestly, I don't even know how to wear this shoe. Maybe if I wear a super muted outfit and have this be like the only color in the outfit, it might work. So yeah, I'll try this with, it's definitely gonna have to be dark gray jeans or maybe even black jeans. If you're not a fan of the zebra print, what I've seen people do on Reddit is take acetone and rub it over it, and it'll actually remove the white paint. And I actually think it looks pretty good, but I'm kind of scared to rub acetone on my shoes. Like, if I accidentally mess up and hit the fabric, that wouldn't be too good. Let's go ahead and try these on. After trying these shoes on, I gotta say, they fit quite well and they're pretty comfortable. They're a tiny bit loose, but not loose enough that I would size down. Maybe if you're between 2 sizes, I would go for the lower size. But otherwise, I'd recommend you go true to size. The colors of these shoes kind of remind me of these macaroons my friend got me, so maybe I'll go eat some. Be right back. So last week my friend went to Paris and brought home some macaroons for me to try. And yeah, let's go ahead and try these. So there's 6 of these. I'm just gonna eat the ones that look kind of like the shoes, so I don't eat all of them. This is how they look. Okay, so this pink one definitely matches the red pretty well, so I'll go ahead and eat this. Not sure what flavor this is, let me see. I think this is some kind of rose. This one's pretty good. I don't really want to eat the whole thing. I'll eat the rest later. I mean, the shoe doesn't really have brown in it, but this is pretty close to black, so I'll give this a try. Looks like chocolate, and I really like chocolate. Yeah, this one's definitely chocolate. Then last I got this white one that matches the white. Too bad I don't have any blue ones, that'd be pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Yeah, I'm not really sure what flavor this one is, maybe vanilla. Honestly, I feel like I'm pretty bad at judging flavors unless it's obvious. Yeah, these are making me kind of thirsty. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I've run out of sneakers to unbox for now, but if I get lucky, hopefully I can get some more. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.